going to use Ghanaian Fruities shampoo and its conditioner to wash this hair. This is the best way I normally wash all my kinky curly hair extensions. I will be using lukewarm water, and so I'm going to place the hair in the water. Make sure it's warm. Leave it for some minutes for the hair to rest and relax. Type 4 hairs are normally the driest, so leave it a little bit in the water to make the hair soft and also to allow the cuticle of the hair to open. Observe the water if it's going to change its color. Not with this hair, because the kinky texture hair is steamed with no chemicals, just naturally steamed to achieve these beautiful curls. That's what you get when you spend your hard-earned money on quality products that would last you more years to come without rebuying them every 1 month, 2 or 3 months. No, not with this one. And do not do this. Don't just wash it anyhow, because it's going to tangle up. To avoid tangling, I carefully run my hands on the weft to clean them gently. You'll see that the water is very, very clear, very clean. I'm now going to add the shampoo on the hair or in the water, whichever way is okay. I'm washing one bundle at a time. I take the bundle and immerse it, almost like baptizing the wefts in and out. Try not to get it messed up yet. I'm going to apply the same process to all 3 bundles, and then followed by the deep condition. This hair is so real. It feels very, very soft. Over time, the hair becomes very soft and loosen up because the warm water has opened all the cuticles on the hair to absorb all the products. I always take my time when washing kinky curly hair. Carefully use my hand on the weft to clean it, being so gentle to avoid any kind of tangling at all costs. After shampooed, I rinse it with a fresh lukewarm water, making sure all the shampoo is out from the hair. The hair is so beautiful. This hair is so beautiful. After I shampooed this hair, the hair became very soft and the water is very clear. I hadn't even used any conditioner yet, and the hair feels beautiful and so soft. So let's move on to the conditioning process. I love to use this conditioner on this hair because it makes the hair really soft, and it's soft and color free and very, very gentle on the hair, and leave a very beautiful, mild, nice smell on the hair. This conditioner is perfect to me for this kinky curly hair. I love it so much, and I even use it on my hair, and it makes my hair very, very manageable and extremely soft. This is the shed hair I got from this bundle. I cannot say much because I haven't combed it yet. And the hair doesn't shed like crazy. Shedding is minimum. Sometimes I like to detangle the hair before or after applying the conditioner. It's all up to you. This step is so important to separate the curls whilst the conditioner is on the hair, and it also helps the curls to bounce back up beautifully and soften, and also make the hair looks more natural than before. And always start combing or detangle the hair from the bottom, working your way right to the top. It feels so soft, looking so pretty and juicy. I'm separating the hair now and twist it up and continue with the other bundles. So these are the sheds hair I got from the 3 bundles, which is pretty much cool and minimal. So I'm done. I will leave the conditioner on the hair till the next day, which is overnight. So this is the next day after I had washed all the conditioner out from the hair. The hair looks so pretty and it's dripping wet. It is not dry at all. Es ist nicht trocken yet, okay? Es ist nicht trocken. Kannst du mal sehen? It's really wet. This hair looks so perfect, juicy, very soft, amazing, and it looks so natural. Very beautiful. So me darling, this will be the end of this video. Please stay tuned for the installation of this hair. If you did enjoy watching this video, please share, subscribe, comment for more videos. And I really enjoyed using this hair for the Xmas, you know. I installed this hair before the Xmas season, and I was so busy cooking for the family and also friends here and there, going out to the Christmas market, enjoying ourselves. There was so much going on, so much going on, and I had no time to upload this video. So yeah, so this is the final look of this hair, and this is completely dry now. So stay tuned for the installation process, and trust me, you will love it. Stay blessed, stay blessed, stay blessed. I love you all, and thank you so much for watching.